Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today you will be seeing how to paint an elephant for the saree border. I take order works and teach online professional courses. My details are in this video and below this video in description. For more information, click the link in the description of my website, and those interested can contact me. First, I have taken the bronze color for the outline. As this is a dark saree of silk, you can take only metallic colors. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, alligator flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. I have basic and advanced courses starting from 1000 onwards. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques in black and white of 65 pages. Those interested can buy and then follow my videos. See my live listing of videos for freehand fabric painting. The videos are long and slow and you can understand freehand fabric painting. See my other videos for my exclusive artworks and art techniques. In such dark silk sarees, you have to give gap work and then paint, then only the beauty comes out. And after completing this elephant, I have done the outline with the 3D liner. As you can see, this is the border design. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques and tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.